Let's go for a bike ride. Did you ever wonder why time seemed to be slower when you were younger? I think this experience is caused by living in the moment and filling our minds with new and unique events. Come with me and enjoy a few of my favorite places. Hopefully, you can lose yourself in these moments and slow time just a little. Park your car and let's cruise along the top of the dune and enjoy the view of the ocean. I can smell the salt in the air and hear the seagulls as we drift along in the warm sunshine. The canopies overhead makes it feel as if we are riding on the deck of a great sailing ship cruising through time and space on a beautiful journey. If you are hungry, we can stop at the snack shop and get a hot dog or just enjoy conversation with friends. We don't really need to be anywhere, but here in the moment, drifting in the wind like a feather, or floating along the edge of existence just above the sea grapes that grow into the sand along the beach. Enjoying the contrast of blue on white as clouds, sky, and ocean blend into each other. Riding along the jetty is always fun. As the view changes with the weather and the waves, concrete and steel poured and shaped allows us to glide along the edge of the water and sand with little effort. Watching the tide rush out makes me wonder why Mother Nature is in such a hurry. The moon's gravity and its impact on our world is seen by this motion of water. So many forces acting and reacting around us, impacting our beings with movement and change. It's easy to get caught up in the forces that shape our lives. Gliding along this boardwalk above the lily pads invites an impressionistic view of the world in its ever-changing light. Don't blink or you'll miss the moment. Your point of view can change over time with your perspective and attitude. Bridging the past with the present and extending into your future experiences. Pretend you are an ant catching a ride on the front fork of my bicycle and travel through a forest of giant palm trees. Or a seagull floating above my shoulder along a dock, and you can instantly stop time and be in the moment. Roll along the top of this guardrail as if you were the mechanical rabbit in a dog race, and enjoy life a little slower as if you were young again when summers seem to last forever. If you like this short video, please let me know with a thumbs up. You can see other videos on my YouTube channel. Check out Mike Roberts hang gliding video and others on YouTube.